In today's video tutorial, I'm incredibly excited to tell you about an app we've never discussed before, and of course, I'd like to share it with you because the strategy I'll be showing you today will earn you anywhere from $500 to $700. This app is free to download and install on both iOS and Android devices. So I'm going to show you 3 different applications, the first 2 of which will pay you to install them in order for you to maximize your results and make as much money as possible overall, including the third one I'll show you because, as I previously indicated, you simply need to install the first 2 apps. You will be able to earn some passive income for free. So I'll show you those 2 applications first, and then I'll show you a third app that we've never talked about before, but that will pay you $1,000 for nothing. But before we proceed, welcome to Make Money Online, where I'll be showing you the various ways of making money online in the simplest methods possible. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on the notifications bell. Let's get right into the video now, so I can explain everything before I show you the software that pays you. As I mentioned at the start of this video, I merely want to show you some additional programs. So once again, I'm going to show you 3 distinct apps in total. To be clear, I'll cover everything in sections where you can earn more than $500. So the first app we'll use is this one right here, which is their official website, but we'll just install it on your smartphone immediately. Essentially, this is free software that allows you to earn money online by receiving SMS generated by the system and customers. Simply download it to your smartphone, make an account, and it will send you some random SMS messages to which you will not be required to react. They'll send you new text messages, and you'll be compensated for each one you receive, as I previously stated. So, in summary, you may come work here and learn more about how things function. However, this one is only for Android. Keep an eye out for the following apps which will be compatible with both the iOS and Android. This is only for Android users. This will not function if you have an iOS smartphone. As a result, their app is exclusively available for Android users because only Android allows you to read SMS. Now all you have to do is install your apps and wait for payment. And this is the amount of money they inform you about, as well as the security of the application. Because their program doesn't read their data, they won't be able to see your private communications or use your data to steal information. Only their own text or SMS will be read. It is risk-free, and I've done a lot of research on this software, and it appears that people are making a lot of money with it. Of course, they like how the system works since, as you can see, it's completely automated, allowing you to earn money without having to do anything. They also have a fantastic recurring program in which you may earn 30% of your referral profits. So if you suggest a friend to this app or website and they sign up and start earning money, they'll want to refer another friend and they'll earn $200 while you get $60 for free. You'll now be able to profit from them in a passive manner. Yes, the Money SMS app may be used to generate passive money in a variety of ways. This is of course entirely free. You will not be charged anything because it will always be free, and you will be able to learn more about it and how it works by signing up for automated text messages inside the dashboard. There are some examples of how it will seem, as well as a referral code that you can share with friends and family, as well as on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also post it to several Facebook groups devoted to online income. Simply tell them that the program can help them earn money while they sleep and then send them your referral link. Your referrals can still earn you money in the long run. As you can see, this is the case. The Money SMS app is legitimate, and they treat all national issues seriously, ensuring that they meet the most recent GDP and privacy policy criteria. You may now examine the proof of payments for many users on an independent website as well as the business ratings. If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you can learn more about them on this page, and you can see that people are getting paid through it. And as I previously stated, I've done extensive study in this method is completely effective. MoneySMSApp.com is the website we'll be using. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up before we go any further. Please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video so far and found it interesting and instructive, The next program you can use to get some free passive income is Cash Magnet or cashmagnetapp.com, which you can download to your Android smartphone and install. This one too is only available for Android, but stay tuned because the final app will pay you and will be available on both iOS and Android. So basically, you get money from your Android phone and they pay you for every minute you are idle. As you can see, Cash Magnet integrates all of the top reward programs you want to play, so you don't have to do anything. As a result, this will pay you far more than the Money SMS app. We're basically going from the lowest paying app to the highest paying app so you can get a better understanding of it. You don't have to do anything and can earn money passively and independently by watching commercials or playing games. You can be sleeping, eating, working out, going outside, reading the news, or doing whatever else you want while still getting paid for installing this app and leaving your phone out. You don't have to do anything else, so prepare to make a lot more money. You'll be able to buy a brand new phone that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. After only 3 months of work in the Cash Magnet app, thousands of users do it this way. 3 months after using a phone, you could nearly buy a new one. It's fully secure and you can rest assured that your personal information and data will not be accessed in any manner. Make money from your phone by doing nothing. You can find out more about Cash Magnet and how it can assist you in earning money when you're not using your phone. Simply leave it out with the app installed and you'll be making money passively. You can still install it on an old smartphone if you don't want to put it on your primary phone for whatever reason. Now, before I teach you how to install the final app, the one that will truly pay you over $500, I'll show you how to do so on an outdated smartphone. The app we'll be utilizing is right here, and I'll tell you what it's called in a minute. However, this one will pay you more than $500, allowing you to earn anywhere from $500 to $700 every year simply by listening to music. All you have to do now is download it to your iPhone or Android phone from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. It's really easy and it's quite thrilling because you'll be compensated for merely listening to music. It's as simple as downloading the app, listening to music, and collecting points. Additionally, the more you play, the more money you will earn. So in essence, you're being compensated for listening to music in your leisure time. So simply search and play from hundreds of thousands of songs as well as your station to find and listen to your favorite music. You'll be paid after that. You are not obligated to listen to a song or genre on SoundCloud that you dislike. You can truly earn money while listening to music you like. You obviously listen to a lot of music on a daily basis, but now you can be compensated for it. Playing your favorite music will get you points. Spend your points on your favorite brands as well as a variety of other items. As you can see, this is available in a number of countries on this list, and you can then download the app to your smartphone and begin making money with it. Current.us is the name of the app. Current.us is the name of the website, and the logo should look like this. Go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Current app, and that's all. If you enjoy similar content, check out my other videos, and if you like what you see, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications bell. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments section below. See you in the next video.